My name is Ian Rudolph, and I'm the owner of T-Bowl Lanes here in Shenandoah, Virginia. T-Bowl Lanes is a bowling facility that has duck pin bowling. So we are the last sanctioned bowling alley in the state of Virginia. Duck pin bowling is, of course, 10 pins, but it's with the smaller ball and smaller pins. So T-Bowl Lanes has been in this community for almost 60 years. This building was actually built for the bowling alley. The Tomneys owned the bowling alley for many, many years, and we actually just took over just a couple years ago. So when T-Bowl Lanes come available, we actually met with Scott and Loyal Hensley that does the maintenance for T-Bowl Lanes. And we also met with the owners of the building, the Walmacks, and we was able to come up with an agreement with the owners of the building, and Scott and Lowell was also willing to help us do all of the maintenance on the machines, because if it wouldn't be for them helping us with the maintenance, we would have never proceeded forward with purchasing the business. We actually wanted to keep the old aesthetics of the old retro theme, just to keep it original and just give people an idea of just how old these machines are. Everything behind the scenes with the Sherwin-Williams pin setters is all original from the late 50s. Here at T-Bowl Lanes, we actually offer several different leagues in the winter months. We have a Monday night league, a Friday night league, and then we also host several activities on Saturdays throughout the year. We also offer open bowling on Thursday nights, Friday nights, and Saturday nights. And we also do birthday parties. So people can schedule a 2-hour birthday party, whether they want 2 lanes or whether they want 10 lanes. T-Bowl Lanes offers just a place for people to get out and enjoy just good, clean fun. With the smaller balls, it's easier for the kids to bowl versus the larger 10-pin balls. So the town of Shenandoah is a very small community. Being from a small town, the camaraderie of everybody knowing everybody kind of makes it just a fun place to be in the evenings for open bowling.